What's up? So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the studio. You have a lot at your disposal. So first thing you're gonna have to do here is learn how to drop the backdrop, okay? So the red one will drop the white or pull up the white, so you just kind of figure it out. And then there's a gray one as well. So gray is associated with gray. So there's a gray backdrop, which is right here. And then there is the black backdrop, which is this one right here. So when you drop this is what you want to do. I don't know if I can see myself, so, oh, there it goes. All right, so what you're gonna have to do here is, most people are gonna use the white one because they like the white backdrop. You let it come all the way down. A partner might be able to help you, okay? After it comes all the way down, you're only gonna use the white part. You're gonna ignore all the foot stains, right? Like that, okay? So once you have like a nice little curve right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna move a desk or a table. So we'll move this one over here. Try to be careful not to rip it too much, all right? Lift it up if need be. Try to avoid this black part being in the front because you might record that black part. We'll use the white part right here. You put the camera over here, the lights and everything, and the microphone. Boom pole, be set up like this, right? Okay? So adjust the angle as needed, so on and so forth. So you'll have your lights tutorial after watching this, but this is a basic setup of your background, right? Or the pro tip is avoid having the green screen bounce light back into your shot because half the side of the face is gonna end up being green because of reflective light. So what you wanna do here is, when you're using this side, you want to slide this over with a partner if need be. Nice and easy, be gentle, because this will break. You block off all the green light from bouncing from here back into your scene. So that is basically how you do it, and then everything is reversed when you clean up after yourself, all right? So put everything back as cleanly as possible to leave the space open for the next team that comes up to use it. So there's more tutorials, keep watching. All right, rock, paper, peace.